Hi, I'm Joey, and this is the Jimu Robot Explorer Kit from UBTECH Robotics. Jimu is a sophisticated robotic building block system that gives you the power to create and program your own robots. It's a fun and exciting way to engage in hands-on learning and STEM. The future of robotics is awakening, and you're smarter for it. So, let's take a look. Open up this strong, reusable box to find everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find an attached, easy-to-follow user guide, 2 boxes of parts, 7 robotic servo motors, a box of fasteners and wires, connectors, a charging adapter, and a main control box. Now it's time to build our robot. Start by scanning the QR code or search Jimu in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to download the free Jimu app to your smartphone or tablet. Inside the app, click on the Model button and pick which Explorer Kit model you would like to build. The box includes all the parts needed to build all 5 pre-designed characters. When you've chosen a pre-designed model, the app will give you a 3D 360-degree view of step-by-step instructions on how to build that character. The brains behind Jimu's movements is the main control box, which is connected to the robotic servo motors. These servo motors act as joints and aid Jimu's ability to move. Make sure to pay attention to their numbered ID and connect to Jimu in the right place as you build your Jimu character. Select the red Bluetooth icon to the left of your model to begin pairing your smart device to your robot. Then select the Jimu button that appears. A connection diagram will confirm all has been done correctly and you're ready. When Jimu is charged up and you're connected, now the fun begins. First, it's best to see what Jimu can do by clicking on actions within the character page. Pick from any of these to see what your Jimu character is capable of. Any of these pre-downloaded functions are a great way to familiarize yourself with your Jimu Explorer Kit controls and all 7 servos. You can add these actions to a controller within the character page so you can control your Jimu quickly and in real time. To create a new action, click the plus button and enter the Create Action page. Here you can control each individual servo in accordance to their ID number through the app, or record the motion by clicking record and moving your Jimu into the position you wish the action to perform. Save this action and add it to your controller or series of actions. What sets Jimu apart from other robotic products is the ability to breathe life into your characters with code through a series of actions within the app using Blockly or Swift programming language. It's simple. To use Blockly coding, pick blocks of actions and directions. Drag and arrange them into a series you want your Jimu to perform. Swift programming language will write itself in accordance to the sequence you arranged and vice versa. Join the Jimu community and share photos and video of your Jimu actions, dances, or personal creations. See what the rest of the Jimu masters have created for themselves. Jimu is an exciting way to develop creativity in building, programming, and engineering. It's a place of limitless possibility, infinite transformations, where smarter blocks make smarter robots, make smarter kids. Where is this place? Open a Jimu box and find out. Go on, get your imagination moving. Jimu from UBTECH Robotics. Dream with robots.